Hey there, we're back out at the Keystone campus in Goshen, Indiana. We're giving you a sneak peek at some of the 2022s that are going to be rolling out of our plant and onto dealers' lots in the next few weeks. And I'm here with Ian Griffith, who's District Sales Manager of Fuzion and Fuzion Impact Series. And Ian and I are special friends because we both love the mountains, we both love to be outside, so we're constantly comparing adventures, although he's a snowboarder and I'm a skier, so it's a little bit of a mixed relationship.
I thought we got rid of that that conflict years ago. Now we're just out there enjoying the mountains, right?
Right. But we want to show you a new 2022 Fuzion. What model are we standing by?
So this is a really exciting one for us. This is the Fuzion 428. This is new to 2021. We're standing in front of a 2022 where we've made some definite improvements in the equipment that we're including on it. Same great Fuzion construction. Really excited about what this is going to be able to bring to our customers.
Yeah, so let's talk just before we get into some of the things that make this model special. Do you want to run us through some of the construction elements of a Fuzion so people understand why this is a toy hauler's toy hauler? We're not mucking about, right?
Absolutely. So we understand that not only is this going to get loaded with your standard camping supplies, your dry goods, your linens, maybe some firewood, but this has the capacity for 3,000 pounds in the garage, and just a lot of extra equipment going into this, including up to 60 gallons of fuel, 94 gallons of fresh water.
Nice.
That's a lot to carry along with you. So we start off with Goodyear tires. Every Fuzion comes standard with the Goodyear Endurance tire.
Love that.
It's made in America, Kevlar reinforced sidewalls, making sure that you're going to arrive safely and that your equipment's going to arrive in one piece is always paramount for us at Fuzion.
Yep. How about axles and running gear?
So axles and running gear, we use the MoreRide CRE 3000 suspension system that gives you an extra 3 inches of travel. That's another 3 inches of road hazard that you can encounter that's not going to get transferred to your tow vehicle. It's not going to get transferred to your cargo. Behind those is the Dexter 7K axles. And when you're dealing with a rig this big, what's most important is going to be stopping power. Those Dexter 7K axles have a 12-inch drum with 2-inch wide brake pads.
Yeah, nothing like dragging. How many pounds are we?
Oh, this GVWR is 20,000.
Nothing like dragging 20,000 pounds behind you.
Yeah,
right?
No kidding.
A little harrowing.
So in addition to that construction, in addition to the equipment that we put on this, the construction of this camper is second to none. We have CNC routed sidewalls, and that's a big resource to be allocated to Fuzion because the table it takes to make these sidewalls is 90 feet long, and there's only so many hours in a day that it can operate. So Keystone has reserved that table for just 2 brands. That's the Montana and the Fuzion. And that means that every door, every window, every speaker opening is going to be cut to 1/100th of an inch tolerance, ensuring the most tight fit for all of the componentry that we install in this sidewall.
Yeah.
You also get greater insulation value because we are able to insulate up to the edge of every opening.
Yeah, that's it's a small thing, and check on the website. I think we have a whole section in the Fuzion part of the website about CNC routing. It's a small thing, but it's an important thing, and it's really unique.
It's not something that we take for granted, and we feel pretty special because we're allocated that resource. Yeah.
Speaking of special, I feel like the whole party is right here.
That's the thing with the toy hauler. You're always going to find entertainment in a toy hauler. Whether you got the rear patio down or the outdoor kitchen rocking, we now have 3 floor plans at Fuzion that have the outdoor kitchen. New for 2022 is the drop-down cooktop. This isn't the most ideal height for cooking, so we have implemented a drop-down cooktop.
Yeah.
You get a mini fridge and a 32-inch Jensen television. We use all Jensen name brand products on all of our Fuzions, Fuzion Impact Editions, and Vapor Lights.
Yeah, this is so great. I love my outdoor kitchen. I love it, love it, love it, but it's too tall.
I know.
It's really too tall. So it was a simple solution, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're inside of the 428.
Yeah, this is an exciting floor plan.
It's crazy. This is one of the most livable toy hauler floor plans I feel like I've ever been in, right?
Yeah. So with toy haulers, we're always cursed with having to dedicate so much of our floor plan to the garage space.
Right.
And we still have a big 13-foot garage in here. Almost all of our Fuzions have a bath and a half at least, and the half bath doesn't interfere with the garage. It's behind this wall here. but we still have this big, spacious living space that we have in here.
Yeah, is it longer than some? It's not, is it?
No, this is
40
this comes
feet?
in at 44 feet 11 inches.
Okay, 44 feet. All right. So
Yep.
let's just show people what this space is all about. Do you want to start maybe with the living area?
Yeah, so this is a larger, more spacious living area than you're used to seeing in toy haulers, and that's because of how we've been able to configure this.
Yeah.
You still have a great 3-seat, all reclining sofa, and you get an additional 2-seat sofa that's actually a pull-out bed, and that really works well with the additional sleeping capacity and kind of the nature of what these toy haulers are used for.
Yeah. I think in a lot of toy haulers we see this bank of seats where everybody has to sit side by side.
Yeah.
But you've got 2 places to sit. It's really nice. It's great for a party. It's great for entertaining, right?
Yeah, and with this space that we have in here, no one's having to put their footrest down just because someone's moving through the cabin.
Right.
Everyone's going to be able to be comfortable.
Yeah.
We've taken advantage of a lot of that space as well for storage. So, you know, when you're bringing a small army with you, what with the king bed in the front, the 2 queen beds in the garage area, the loft, and now a pull-out sofa, you're going to need to feed everybody. So we included this large pantry
yeah. Let's show
right
everybody
behind
this,
you.
Emily. Check that out.
Tons of space in there.
That's huge.
Yeah.
That's amazing. I was telling Ian I was in a toy hauler that had a little tiny pantry in it not that long ago. It was not, I mean, if you didn't want to eat, maybe you just need beer.
Yeah. Oh, you camp like I camp.
Sometimes. Yeah. So I love that you have these tray tables too on this sofa because
Mm-hmm.
everybody ends up eating on this sofa anyway, and you've just embraced it.
Absolutely. This trailer also comes with the Happy Jack beds, which also features a folding table. And there's still room for a folding table to be set up in here, but it's not one of those that has to plug into holes in the floor. You can move it outside to the patio, wherever you might need to set up.
Yeah, super flexible. So the kitchen also too, we were walking through it earlier, 18 cubic foot refrigerator.
This is the 18 cubic foot gas electric RV refrigerator. We have a no cost option for a residential refrigerator as well, for whatever customer would prefer.
Cool.
Also in this slide, with the depth that we have, we were able to have a completely clear space over the cooktop, no interference from the microwave, and still able to place our vent right above the cooktop.
And that never happens, right?
No.
Where you have the clearance. Really nice cast iron grates.
People are always asking, how do I get my big pot of chili over here?
You don't. You go outside. You go outside to your amazing kitchen outside.
Exactly.
You can do both.
Yep.
And then lots of counter space and
lots
more
of counter
cabinets.
space, and again behind here is the half bath. But we were able to wrap the countertop space around, giving you lots of room for cutting boards.
Crock pots,
air
Instapots,
fryers,
air fryers. Yeah, I love that. And you've got your bottle opener built in.
Of course.
This looks great. Do you want to go check out the master bedroom?
Absolutely.
Okay. So we're in the bedroom.
Yep, this is the east-west bed platform that's standard on every Fuzion that we build. We're able to incorporate a lot of great storage. We've got significant underbed storage. You've got your 2-drawer bank here.
This is really nice.
Yeah, with good countertop space. We also have the large wardrobe and washer dryer prep up in the bedroom. One of my favorite things about the washer dryer prep up here is that it gets it out of the garage. So your customer that needs all 13 feet of this garage on this 428 gets all 13
Don't
feet.
tell me I've got to put a washer and dryer and not get in my
You don't have to sacrifice 2 feet of your garage for washer dryer. Plus with this you can run a vented dryer just like you would at home.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
People talk about that a lot.
Yep. This is a removable table that's above the washer dryer prep there, so you can have that in or out depending on what your needs may be.
Hanging rod.
Yep, makes
There's
a great
lights in
folding
there,
table.
too.
Oh yeah.
Nice. And over here you've got more storage.
Yep. Yeah, significant wardrobe space in here, even for longer garments, coats, dresses, that sort of thing.
I often bring my ball gown to the desert.
I'm sure you do, yeah.
And then you've got this really nice full-size shower in your ensuite.
Yep. Again, we don't compromise on any of the materials that we're using here. It's a one-piece shower enclosure to help prevent with any pesky leaking that may occur, glass shower door, and porcelain toilet. Yeah, this has to be a comfortable place to sleep, of course, because at the end of a hard day out on the trail, at the motocross track, or what have you, we do have power and end tables for CPAP machines. We also have the best air conditioning system in the market as far as I'm concerned. Yep, we have the OmniChill air conditioning system. On 50 amp service, you can run all 3 ACs at the same time without utilizing any kind of energy management. So you are creating cold air with all 3 ACs.
Yeah, you got to be comfortable while you sleep.
Absolutely.
And the number of Americans that use CPAP machines is significant. I mean, it's a significant portion of our population. So I'm really glad you thought of that. That's really helpful.
Yep.
Well, this is an amazing unit.
Oh, thanks so much for coming and checking it out. Yeah.
Is it being built? This is a prototype?
This is not a prototype.
It's not?
This is brand new, came out halfway through 2021 model year.
Okay.
And this being a 22, this gets all the great new features with the kick vacuums, the soft close hinges, the tankless water heater. There's a and of course the Keystone SolarFlex.
We haven't talked about that. We almost stopped the video without talking about it. So most of you know, and if you don't, as of 2022, every Keystone RV, with the exception of our destination trailers, which is residence and retreat, ships with an onboard solar system. So it starts with the SolarFlex 200. You guys are doing 200 standard? 200
standard on every Fuzion, Impact, and Vapor Light. Then we have upgrade options available for 400 and 600 on all of our fifth wheels. Travel trailers currently are going to be 200 and 400.
Right.
Yes.
So the 400 adds an inverter. Just so you guys know, 200 puts 200 watts of solar collection on the roof, a battery charge controller, and I'm going to get the amps wrong, so look on the website. It'll tell everything you need to know is there. An inverted loop if you want to add an inverter, so you can have 110 outlets powered by sunlight feeding your battery. And then 400 steps it up with an inverter. And
400 adds the inverter.
That's right.
A loop for the air conditioner, all the smart battery monitoring systems.
Yep.
And then above that is the 600. That actually has one air conditioner, the bedroom air conditioner, powered from the solar. It includes lithium-ion batteries and a 3,000 watt inverter to be able to power more in the trailer.
Yeah. So with that 600 IL package, you should fully be able to get off the grid. You always want to manage your power appropriately and your water appropriately.
Of course,
But that package is super robust for people who want a free camp.
With the smart monitoring system that we've included with the 400 and the 600, you'll be able to prepare for what your daily requirements are.
You can make good choices.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So that's our biggest story here, and feel free, definitely check it out on our website. Every package we built, it's called SolarFlex for a reason. Every package we built is great out of the gate, all fully warranted, can be financed in with your purchase price. Every component that you add on, you can buy through an authorized Keystone dealer. That is also covered by warranty. So every package is meant to grow with you as you get out and camp and understand what you need. There are ports that are set up. There are things that are pre-wired so you can grow your system. But we're super excited. I mean, this changes really everything in terms of solar in our industry. So,
and like Chrissy was saying, the expansion is built in with additional roof ports once you get to the 400i package, the inclusion of the power loop for the air conditioner at the 400i package. It really is pick and choose for how you want to expand your solar
create your own
package.
solar adventure.
Yeah.
So definitely check that out on the website. Fusions are shipping now. 2022 Fusions are shipping now. To find a Fuzion dealer near you, go to the dealer locator on our website, click on Fuzion on the drop-down menu, and every dealer in your area or any area that you choose will populate automatically.
And if you have any other questions about the product, please visit us at keystone.com/fusion.
KeystoneRV.com.
KeystoneRV.com/fusion.
Thank you. All right. Thanks, everybody. We'll see you soon.